Hello, this is the final video for the actual automatic headlights integrated into the system here. That this car here, this Cayenne here never came with automatic headlights from factory. As you can see, there's no automatic headlights here. Alright, it's just a normal headlights. You can turn it on manually by yourself. Like that. Alright, now let's have a look at the actual function. Before, I only had the front headlights come on, just that one, and this one. And when I took it on the M5 for the road test to make sure everything's fine, the rear light wasn't on, the parking light wasn't on. So it's pretty unsafe to have that on, have that off. So I had to take everything apart again and rewire the whole thing. So the front headlights, parking lights, rear parking lights, and the actual registration lights come on at the same time. All right, so let's try it. That's on. Start the car up. I've got it on off. It's on off now. Have the ignition on, easier because it's too loud, otherwise you can't really hear my voice. So that's on off, that's on. Let's put some rag on the actual sensor so it's dark. Alright, I'm going to cover it up and then do the lights. Alright, headlights on, parking lights on. Headlights on, parking light on, LED. And let's go to the back here. Rear lights are on, left and right, and the actual registration lights. One there and one there. Alright, now everything's working properly. Take that off. 20 seconds, the light will turn off. Depending on the light, how much light you've got, that's good. See how it's turned off? That's automatically. Alright, that's a big plus. Now I've finished everything. Put the cover back on, put the USB back on here, and tomorrow I've got the little bypass valve coming in for this side here. Right there. I want to change that one, and then pretty much ready for pickup. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.